16th of September 2020, inspection in North Miami Beach, Eastern Shores. New construction of Seawall, tongue and groove concrete panel, king piles and batter piles. Showing some unseamed king piles, gaps between the panels from the footer area on the south of the property, about 30 feet. We'll video it and we'll just give you a general look at the seawall. There's king piles that are holding the panels, and then there's the batter piles for stability. There's a 20-foot dock with 3 pilings, no joists, and the video is going to be starting on the north side. This inspection is conducted by SeaMeDive. Showing a gap in the panel, about 6 inches wide to closing down to 4. It's about 4 feet long, and there's active erosion coming through it. The other side of that same panel, same thing, open gap, leaking erosion, leaking of soil. That's the gap between the king pile and the panel, and you can see my hand goes right between the 2 panels. on the south side of the property, and the last 3 panels showing opening on the base of the panel, and they should be sealed. There's a nice iguana there hanging on her life.